All right, language explorers. So let's have a look at today's Wednesday adjective. So original. Original. Something that was there before and has always been so. This is the original painting, the first version. Yes, that was my original idea. The idea I was going to do in the first place. We're looking for the original members. Are you one of the original founders? Maybe, maybe not. Yeah. Do you think that is an original painting? This is an original copy of the book. Yes, an original copy. Definitely. The first edition, the original. They have a lot of original ideas. Yeah, how cool is that? Those were the original papers that I submitted. You see, the original papers were lost. So I had to make more copies. We are the original people to start it. Yeah. I am the original person. I am the original person. Everyone else copies me. Everyone else copies me. Like them, we will learn the original story. Yeah. Soon, I will have thought of an original idea for a novel. How cool is that? Yeah. How cool is that? So, language explorers, can you use original in a sentence? Can you write it in the comments below? Like the video, subscribe to the channel, more videos to come, more lessons to come. And you can find me on YouTube, Facebook, Telegram and Udemy by searching English with Adrian or Adrian Nanchev. Yeah. How cool is that, language explorers? Let's keep exploring.